Hello everyone, welcome to my 18th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In previous tutorial we discussed about a movie mode. In this tutorial we will discuss how to shoot in the movie. So first step is to create a movie. By movie option, click in the empty slot and select one of the option creating record image or movie from file. Let's look like this option. This tab can record movie from build desktop. Click on the icon. Here it is. Take a screenshot of this. Then creating a camera path. Let's start by opening the camera mode and selecting the empty clip. As already shown previous screenshot, 3 option appears in the instance. We will select the record button. Then this option is selected. A new interface appear where we can start taking photos to create camera path. Do you see the previous window with screen displayed? This is your camera and you can control it the same shot using the build mode, but just a reminder, here are some of the most used shortcuts to navigate the Lumion's camera. Here is WASD or arrow key. This is the move the camera forward, backward or to left or right. Then Q key is this move the camera upward. Then E, this move the camera downward. Then click on the space bar plus WSAD and QE. This is slow down the camera speed. Next is the Shift plus WSAD and QE. This is the increase the camera speed. Then Shift plus spacebar plus WSAD and QE. This is an option to choose high speed camera. The right mouse button to press this and the movie it looks like around, and the middle mouse button press this and the movie move the mouse button to pan. Now we have placed the camera at the initial position. What is the next step? Look the following screenshot. In record screen we have following options: clip speed clip, allow to increase the decrease the time clip, then play option, play the recorded clips, set an eye level, eye height, set the eye height of observation, automatically previous clip, preview the saved clip, then focal length. It shows that focal distance, set up the focusing the camera generate image, then clip shot, allows you to save image that frame in animation. Navigation, in navigation allows to the select save the viewed or modified. Then back, confirms editing the clip and return to the screen movie. To return the desktop movie is present a new interface we can see below. Then change its title, change its custom style, add effect and to play. Then clip slot, display the saved clips, build the effect, preview the option, render the movie. Here is the screenshot of this. Then the final output quality is set the amount of final image. Then frames per second. You should see that frames per second to set the number of frames per second in animation. For W, select resolution. We can choose other saving options such as individual image or sequence image instead of video or MP4 formats. An interesting option is to save current view. In the video option is the custom output configuration that saves the separate channels to compose the external image editor. See the main settings. Here is the output settings. D for save depth map, A for Save sky alpha map. Then M for material ID. Then TIP for change the choice image size to save directly related to saving mode. So in next video we will see the practical of this rendering the movie. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.